All right, let's take another look at Gabriella. Gabriella started out with a really, really significant overjet. She had a full step class 2, and again, we almost thought we were going to use a fixed functional, but we didn't need one in the end. She wore her elastics beautifully. The Damon Ultima System performed as expected. We're trusting this technology to the point where we know what we're going to see now. We know that we're going to get these upper incisors uprighted until they hit essentially 7 degrees on the central, and then the procline bracket is going to protect that torque from retroclining any further. So once we get the ideal facial inclination, the system basically protects the position where we are. So what's beautiful, and you'll see this at the end of this case, is that we were able to end up with wonderful anterior torque, beautiful alignment with no archwire bending. Really, truly demonstrates the impressive power of 3D control. So hopefully you enjoy.
All right, I want to go ahead and go through another case. In the last post, we went through Gabriella's case really quickly. In this case, I just want to show you the phases and how it worked out without archwire bending. You can see that she was a significant class 2, a lot of overjet, went through phase 1, dialing in first order, a little bit of second, phase 2, reposition, make sure everything looks good, phase 3, figuring out the CR equals CO with some class 2 elastics. Ultimately, this case treated out beautifully from beginning to end. When we really look at this, the total treatment time was 18 months with 12 appointments with a traditional Ultima wire sequence. What's really nice is you can see how we got some lower uprighting, nice upper development, and just create a beautiful transverse smile. Macro aesthetics, mini aesthetics, and micro aesthetics were dialed in. And again, with this much expansion, arch development, and class 2 elastics, the idea that we didn't have to use any archwire bends or auxiliaries is actually quite amazing. And that's really something that's special. So hopefully you enjoyed that, and we'll get through this a little bit more in the next post.